hello, classic rock bass solos, classic rock bass songs, and classic rock bass cover is going to be today's free online bass lesson. Okay, so if you're new here and you don't know me by now, I'm Donald Witt, the bass instructor of the How to Play Bass online course at iwantoplaybass.com. Subscribe, jump over there, become a member for free, and when you're ready to get well on your bass playing, when you're ready to get reaching your bass playing goals, sign up and get well on your way. And this is I Want to Play Bass. Everything, my YouTube channel, everything bass. Subscribe, hit that bell notification, get in loop, and don't miss a beat. We cover bass guitar tips, bass guitar gear reviews, and stuff like that you want to know as a bassist. So definitely subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll see you there. Now, let's get back to it. We've got a great song here that's got a cool bass solo that you don't want to miss. So definitely stick around for that. Now the band is Living Colour, back in probably the 90s, I think it was, maybe, yeah, early 90s, I think. And it's got the phenomenal bassist, Muzz Skilling, on this particular recording. I think he played with them for a little while, but he didn't play with them for every album they had. But he was a phenomenal bassist that you definitely want to hear this bass line and follow some of his stuff, because he's got some, just the way he uses certain intervals and stuff like that is important, and it's good to get that idea, and then you can get that into your frame of playing and everything else. You can add that, incorporate that style into your playing to make you and make you unique. So let's get into it. We've got it's in the key of G, and it's just basically just kind of similar to a, I won't say bossa nova, but it's kind of got that groove. And then it's just D, C, and G. It's the 1-4-5 chord progression that never-ending chord progression that's so used and works so well in blues and rock music, country music, pop music, a lot of music. That chord progression just works well. The 1, 4, and the 5. And G, in the key of G, it's just G, C, and D. C's the 4, D's the 5. Okay? Now this bass solo, you just figure out there's some cool licks he's doing in there during the song, but I'm just going to break down the bass solo for you to give you an idea, because it is just so cool, and you definitely will be glad you learned it and you watched the video and you learned it. Okay, so let's dig into it. So we come in, here's the bass solo. So that's all it is. It's not that long, about a four bar phrase, 4-bar bass solo. So it's not that long, but it's fun. And he lays it down, and he's just got great tone that he's got in there. And I'm not sure what he's playing on that particular album, or instrument, what he's Fender or what he's playing. I'm not sure. I guess I could look that up. But if you know, leave me a comment down below. Let me know. I'll be glad to. I'm curious. And if nobody comments on this, then I'll probably look into it myself and find out what it is. But he's got a great tone, and he's just a phenomenal bassist. Muzz Skilling's, and just phenomenal. That whole band is pretty solid, and they put out a lot of good stuff. So they were fun band to listen to, and fun band to watch too. I saw them live in LA, I think it was LA Coliseum, with Guns N' Roses. Living Colour opened for Guns N' Roses, and then Guns N' Roses had opened for the Rolling Stones. So quite a show right there, and it was good to see. And I think that was in about 90. It had to be 1990. So yeah, Living Colour was probably back in the late 80s. So definitely classic rock now today. Time flies, as we all know it does. So back to the bass solo. We come in to C, and that's just going to be C, F, G, C, slide from the F to the F sharp, okay? And then it goes, does a real quick lick here. Here they just go, just like a tetrachord from that G, from the F sharp actually. It's just going to be F, G, A, B, C, D, and they pull off D, C, B, and then it just pulls off D, C, B, A, G, F sharp, G, B to A. Then it goes G, A, E, C, G, A, D, B, and then it goes E, D, C, B. Okay, so G, A, E to C, G, A, D to B, and then it goes E, D, C, B, and then C. Okay, then it goes E, E, C to D, and then back to C, and then it goes C, G, A, B, D, B, G. Then we do a little quick lick here. Okay, so then it's just G, A, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D, F sharp, okay? And then we just do a Locrian scale. Just, mine just went. Locrian scale. So it's just the 7th of G, which is the F, F sharp. So that's all he does, is a run down from that F sharp. Okay, so that's all. That's it. It ends right there on that F sharp, and then we just go back in the groove. Okay, and then it goes into a guitar solo after that. But that's it. So here I'll play it to you one more time, so you can listen to this and just get those parts down. That's it right there. Living Colors, Broken Hearts, and Most Skilling's bass solo, classic rock bass solos, and hope you enjoyed it. If you did, help me help you hit that like button, and I'll catch you all on Flip Flop in the next videos. Bye for now.